I'll show you how to browse forms in Dative. When you first log in to an OLD server with Dative, you are brought to the Forms Browse page. Here we can see that we are viewing forms 7 and 8 of the 8 forms that are in the database. We're on page 4 and we are viewing 2 forms per page. We can jump to a nearby page by clicking on its page number. We can change the forms displayed per page here. The double right arrow takes us to the last page. The double left arrow takes us to the first page. The right arrow to the next page, and the left arrow to the previous page. The plus button opens up the interface for creating a new form. The double down arrow button will expand all of the forms so that we can see all of their secondary fields. The double up arrow collapses them all again. The magnifying glass button here opens the search interface. The down arrow server button opens the export interface, and the up arrow server button opens the import interface. This labels toggle button allows us to see the labels for the fields in the primary fields of the forms, and then we can click it again to make them disappear. The question mark here opens the help page. So this same standard interface is used for all OLD resources, which includes forms and, for example, tags. So you can browse through tags in the same way that I just showed you. One thing to note is that there are keyboard shortcuts for quicker navigation. So the down arrow expands everything. The up arrow collapses everything. The P character takes you to the previous page. N goes to the next page. F goes to the first page. L goes to the last page. And just go to the previous page, and you can see you can cycle through all of the forms by pressing the space bar, cycle through where your focus is, or you can press shift space and go back. And then you can press enter to expand it or escape to collapse it.